What if healing isn't about fixing ourselves? What if we've been asking the wrong question? Instead of asking, how do I fix myself? What if we asked, what do humans need to flourish? Every forest thrives because everything is connected. The soil, the water, the light, the trees, the animals. We are no different. At Kinship Renewal, we believe health begins with restoring three things: vital energy, vital response, and vital village. This workshop is our first invitation to slow down, put our hands in the earth, and remember something our nervous systems have always known. We belong to nature. Come build your own Kokedarium with us and begin your kinship renewal.